Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make hundreds of dollars every single day online and all the way up to $20,000. Plus, I'm gonna show you how you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face and without using your own voice. And you can get started straight after watching this video. So if you're interested and you wanna know how to do this for absolutely free, then make sure to keep watching. In this channel, I look around the internet and find ways for you to make money online, and I share them with you in this channel simply and clearly. Now let us get started. In today's video, I want to show you how you can reuse other people's videos to make money on YouTube for absolutely free. Now before you ask any questions, no, this is not gonna get you in trouble on YouTube, because I'm gonna show you a very legit way to make these videos on YouTube. I want to show you a very profitable niche that is absolutely blowing up right now. So right now, I want to show you how people are using the luxury niche and how they're using a niche called the billionaire lifestyle to create these very simple 5 to 15 minute videos, and you can do exactly the same thing, and you do not need to make any of these videos yourself. I want to show you how channels are using other YouTube videos, creating very simple collages and making well over $20,000 a month. I want to show you and give you a massive bonus by the end of the video on how you can even triple down or double down on your income. I'm going to give you everything that you need in this video, so make sure to watch all the way until the end to get these bonuses. Because if you miss something, any small detail, your channel might not succeed and you might be just wasting your time watching this video and actually making your YouTube channel and all of that. So if you want this to actually work, then make sure to watch this video. It is really important. So you've probably already watched these kind of videos, and they're called the luxury lifestyle videos, and I'll give you examples and proof of channels doing this. But basically, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views, and as you can see, it is literally titled billionaire lifestyle, billionaire luxury lifestyle, etc. When you scroll down here, like I said, these videos get hundreds of thousands of views, and I will show you some channels over here. So here is the first channel I want to show you. And take a look at these thumbnails. They're basically a thumbnail of a car, a boat, a house, and it's all about luxury. Some people are using jets, some people are using watches, speedboats, and all other stuff. And I'll show you where you can get these royalty-free images and you can use them for free for your thumbnails. And it is very simple to make one of these. A lot of them are using very similar keywords and titles in their videos over and over again. They're not posting every single day, and they're literally 4 to 8 minute videos. Some of these videos are actually using videos of cars and buildings, and some of them are just using collages of pictures of expensive cars, expensive houses, expensive yachts, and I'll show you exactly how they're doing it because they're not actually making these videos themselves. And also, I will show you how much money they're earning from this. If you check out this channel over here, guys, we can see here that they're getting this amount of money every single month. So it's an absolutely mind-blowing amount of money. Now I can tell you that this type of niche has a pretty good CPM. It will be around $8 to $10, but that number might fluctuate. Now for your knowledge, the CPM is actually what the advertiser is willing to pay YouTube to show their ads on the video. And what you're gonna get paid is actually called RPM. So a $10 CPM will get you around $6 to $5 RPM, which is still pretty damn good. Now these lifestyle videos are very good and very easy to do, and you don't have to do a lot of effort to make these videos. Now if you get a $10 RPM, that's about $20,000 every single month. And if your RPM, let's say, is $5, you will still be making $10,000 a month, which is not bad for something you don't even have to create. Now I will show you how you can double down with affiliate marketing to make even more money with YouTube. Here is another channel over here, and it's got this number of subscribers, and as you can see, again, it is all about money and luxury. As you can see guys, these videos are a bit longer, but generally 10 to 15 minute videos are the best on YouTube. Because when they're monetized, you can actually show up to 3 ads on one video, which can even triple your amount of money. Now I will show you how you can get around using other people's videos on your YouTube channel. When you take a look at this channel, you can see that they're getting as much as 42,000 views every single day, and that can actually make the owner of this channel about $400 a day. Now I want to show you guys how to put all of this together so that you can do this and make money online. So for example, if we come to this channel over here, it's also about luxury lifestyle. Now the first thing to notice about this channel is that they're already monetized. And the second thing is that they're not actually making these videos themselves. And number 3, they're paying credits and showing you what channels they're using and how they're doing this. Now some of these channels, what they're doing guys, is actually they use voiceover from other channel, where they're using motivational quotes, motivational speeches, and they're putting them on their channel. This person over here is just using music. You can get royalty-free music from YouTube itself, and what you can do is search royalty-free music on YouTube and you can download it. So if you come over here, I want you to click onto this video over here. So I basically come over and click on this video. When you scroll down here, I want to show you that this person actually shows you where they're getting their content. So basically, he comes over to the description and types video credits, and then over here, you can see he's got yachts for sale. He's basically telling you where he gets his footages from, where he gets his voiceovers from, and where he gets his music. And also, he shows you where he got his thumbnail created. This is basically called a copyright disclaimer. Then over here, he literally says that if anybody has an issue with the video, that he can contact him and he will remove those videos. So he hasn't actually contacted these companies to ask for permission. So I'm just going to play this very quick and I'll play the music for a bit, so you can see exactly what is happening. As you can see, they've got cars, they've got luxury lifestyle, and these are all royalty-free images that he's getting from these different types of videos. These aren't his videos, so as you saw, this is just a promotional video for you. He's creating these videos for people who love to watch these type of videos. As you can see, he's getting tens of thousands of views, and you can do the same exact thing. So guys, if you're actually learning with me right now, then make sure to leave a big thumbs up to this video. It really helps the channel grow. And also subscribe and activate notifications so you can stay notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, if you want me to make other videos about YouTube, then make sure to leave a comment down below. I know a lot of things about YouTube, so if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I will make sure to answer you, and if your questions are really good, then I might just make a video about it. Now let us get back to the video. So as you saw, we opened up the channels which he's getting the contents from, which is Aston Martin, Land Rover, yachts per sale, and as you can see, some of these videos that we're looking at are 1-minute promotional videos. All you need to do is, let's say you come over here and you open up, let's say Aston Martin. All you need to do is just choose a video, click it and copy the URL link. Then go to Google, search for MP4 downloader, then paste that video link right there. Click on to convert and download that video directly onto your computer. Now I recommend you download the highest resolution to get the best quality video. Now all you need to do is download an editing software on your computer. There are countless of editing softwares online, so you can do a simple Google search and find all of these softwares. Then grab that file and upload it onto this video editing software, and you can delete or remove however much of that video you want to use on your video. And you can make a collage of these videos from Aston Martin, Land Rover, yacht videos, and many other things, like architecture for example. And later, when you upload a video, you can pay credits as you can see in the description like that. The owners of these channels, they're paying credits to all the videos, and make sure to have these disclaimers on the description as well. Now when you take a look at these videos over here, you can see they're using tags in there. You can do something very similar. You can use a very similar description, and you can also use these tags. Now to see these tags, what you want to do is you want to download a software called vidIQ. I'll have a link in the description down below. There is a free version that you can use, and that's going to show you all these different tags. You don't need to do a whole heap of tags and SEO stuff. Just copy these tags that they're using, because YouTube will then know where they need to push these videos. So you can do the exact same thing and you can replicate these tags. Create a very simple video and start uploading them to YouTube, because you can make a lot of money with YouTube and with ad revenue and with also affiliate marketing, which I'm going to show you in a little while. And to make thumbnails, all you need to do is come over to a site like canva.com, click on to create a design, go to custom size and just type in 1920 by 1080, because that is the standard YouTube size. Now when you come over here, you need an image from somewhere else like pexels.com. Once you go to Pexels, if you type in luxury, not only will you have luxury videos, but you can also get a lot of luxury photos for absolutely free. And take a look at these things. You can literally come over here and get a lot of different images that you can use for your thumbnails and also for your videos. And all you need to do is quite simply put a caption and whatever these different channels are doing. For example, they're just putting billionaire on their thumbnails. And you can take a look at these channels and see what they're doing on their thumbnails. Just simply replicate exactly what these different channels are doing. So all you need to do is come over here and, for example, click onto any of these images, download the image, choose for example the highest quality, then download it onto your computer. Come to canva.com, upload the photo over here and choose any of these fonts and put in billionaire on the top. Then upload that photo as your thumbnail. And this is absolutely free to use, guys. Now, one thing that you should also be doing, and this is a bonus strategy that you can use to make even more money with YouTube. You can come over here and put a link to an affiliate marketing offer. The best affiliate marketing or some of the best affiliate marketing offers that you can get is on clickbank.com. So let's say you get 1 million people visiting your channel. Let's say from that 1 million, 0.02% of those people click onto your link. That's about 20,000 people a month. And from that 20,000 people, let's say 0.01% purchase your products. That's about 200 people. And that's a very realistic number. If you multiply that by, let's say you're promoting a product that on average gives you about $75 on sale, that is another $15,000 a month. This is why this niche is so profitable and gives you an awesome amount of opportunities to make money on YouTube. And this is absolutely free, and you're simply reusing other people's videos and other people's ideas. The only thing you do is upload those videos and create your own thumbnails. You can literally get started and replicate a lot of these different videos and start uploading them right now to YouTube. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel for more money-making videos. And that's it for today, guys. As always, I will see you tomorrow with another video. Take care, guys.